What's up guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. So I realized I forgot to do a little introduction before we dove into the footage. So this week is just going to be kind of like a typical week in my life in Texas, but I'm actually going to be doing a work event for Sephora in Dallas, so that's going to be kind of fun. You'll see that in this vlog, and then just a lot of like day-to-day at-home stuff, some healthy meal ideas, and I'm also dog sitting for my best friend. She has a Vizsla as well, which is the exact same dog that I have, Noah. If you guys are like regulars here on my channel, you would know that he's a Vizsla, and she's the exact same kind. So I'm dog sitting, and yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little intro before we dive in. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I have lots of other videos here on my channel that you can check out, but let's hop in. So guys, it has been a few days since I picked up the vlog camera. I've been so busy catching up, but I think it is Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday. And I am just breaking for lunch really quick. I've been working, obviously, all morning, but I wanted to show you something I've been eating for lunch lately that's like really yummy and like filling and satisfying. We will put together this like veggie plate. Like I'll portion out like some hummus in the center, like just like a serving size that's like not too much because it's easy to eat like a ton of hummus. And then I'll cut up like a ton of raw veggies, and I'll do like a few chips and like a little bit of protein. But it's seriously the best thing ever. And I don't know, it's just really easy to not eat vegetables if you like don't focus on doing it. So this is like a really good way to get a ton of like raw vegetables in like at lunch, and they kind of fill you up, and then if you're hungry or after, you can always have more, but it's nice to like kind of get it in. So I'm gonna eat, and tonight we're going to dinner with some friends. So today is Friday, and I just finished work. I'm on my way to like central Dallas for a Sephora event that I'm actually doing. So it's kind of cool because of my job and because I work at Sephora. I'm actually like hosting the event. So I'm hosting the event as an influencer. So like as you know, I'm gonna be promoting it like on my Instagram and stuff, so you would have already seen it by now. But I'm also hosting it on the other side, like as a Sephora employee. So I'm like organizing it, and then so I'm like kind of doing like a dual like thing where I'm like working it, but I'm also advertising it as an influencer. So yeah, it's kind of cool. It's to announce the opening of their new store in Preston Royal, which is in Dallas. So I'll put the info down below, or you can just check it out on my Instagram page. So yeah, I'm excited. I am doing it with a few other blogger friends. Ashley Robertson, who is a close friend of mine, her handle is The Teacher Diva. I'm also Katie McFarlane, who's another good friend, and Jacqueline Mittman, who is, she does like a ton of Instagram stuff, and she also has a blog. She's like, has like bohemian, like really cool style. She's like super rad, so I love her. And yeah, so we're all going to Preston Royal today. We're gonna take a Pure Barre class and a little like sur la table cooking class, since they're all in like Preston Royal, like in basically like all in one shopping center. So it's kind of like to advertise that the new Sephora is open and this is what else like they offer there. Yeah, so I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. I'm on my way, but I told you guys, I think in last week's vlog or 2 weeks ago, that I was trying to like grow my nails out longer. So I've grown them out pretty long, and I have Next Gen on them right now, which is like a it's like a dip gel. If you live in Texas, you're definitely familiar with it, but it's not as common like in other states. But it's basically like kind of like an organic dip powder. Like you dip it in and it hardens, so it's not acrylic, it's like still considered gel. Like they take it off with the foil and everything, but yeah, it is just really strong. But I broke one, so I'm going to get my nail fixed, my one nail, and I grew it out really long, so they probably need to put a tip on it so it matches the length of the other one. But I need to go get my nail fixed. I'm in a hurry, and then I'm on my way to set up the event, and I'll bring you guys along when I get there, but I gotta get my nail did. Okay guys, got my nail fixed. I'm all set to go. I just pulled in to Dallas to the event, so I need to go into the Sephora store. It's right there, you can see it. And I'm gonna check in and then get all set up, and I will show you guys as much of the event as I can when all the other bloggers get here. So catch up with you in a bit. I gotta go inside and set up. Okay guys, we're here at Pure Barre. We're gonna take a little class at the Pure Barre in Preston Royal Village, and then we're gonna hop over to Sur La Table, take a little cooking class. And they put these little disco balls up, which is so cute. It's like a little disco theme. So we're gonna take a little class, and then we'll catch up with you guys at our next stop. Okay guys, we just finished our Pure Barre class, and we went to Sur La Table and did a little cooking demonstration, and now we're headed into Sephora. So this is the new Sephora that just opened in Dallas at Preston Royal Village, and it's amazing. It's so beautiful. They offer services, everything, and it's right next to a bunch of like restaurants and shops and stuff, so really cute. But we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna get a little service done. We're gonna shop, and it's gonna be great.
We're just going to do like a little everyday guide, so we offer many services in Sephora, as you guys know. So we offer things like smoky eyes, contours, lashes, the full face application. So what we're going to do is like a little everyday kind of smoky eyes, maybe kind of going out for girls who are having some fun today. So I'm just going to start with the primer coat from Urban Decay, just warm it up with a finger. I'm just going to work with something more neutral, kind of like with skincare, just to kind of balance out the eyes. With the number 19 tapered crease brush from Sephora collection.
Can I ask you a question?
Just one. I'm just kidding. What's up? What's up?
Okay, so last week I heard someone say that eyeliner automatically gives you go, but if I don't roll eyeliner, I look tired.
No right or wrong to makeup. There's things that maybe do better for eye shades.
Totally. Well,
but there's no like makeup tools that are gonna be like, oh, that's so wrong, write you a ticket. But I think there's things that look better certain ways.
The new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist, of course. This Marc Jacobs gloss and Marc Jacobs liner. And all these brushes.
So like if I were to...
Okay, so we just finished my makeup. Here's the final look. I never wear a darker lip, so I'm feeling a little out of my comfort zone, but I think it's nice. And then we just got gift cards, so we're gonna do a little shopping, and I'll show you guys what I end up grabbing, and then I think we're gonna go to dinner and have a little girls' night. What's up guys, it is a couple days later, and I just realized I didn't show you guys what I picked up from Sephora, so when I went to the event. So let me show you what I picked up. Things first, I got this new Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I've heard amazing things about this. Oh, sorry. And yeah, I'm just really excited to try it, and it's so many recommendations. So first was this. Next, I picked up this Tatcha the Pearl. It's like basically like an eye treatment. Like an eye treatment and concealer in one. So basically like a BB cream for your under eyes, kind of. It'd be just really nice to wear like on no makeup days when you just want like a little bit of something to like cover the darkness under your eyes, but not like full on concealer. So I'm excited about that. Next, I picked up the Too Faced Beach Bunny bronzer. This one is, yeah, oh, it's called Beach Bunny, but it's basically like a multi-striped kind of bronzer. You guys know I am a bronzing freak, so I'm really excited to try this. I also picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Rich Amber. And this is more of like a matte formula, so I thought I could use this for more like bronzing, contouring. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I just want to try it out. The tone looks really nice. It's like kind of a good mixture between like a cool and a warm tone, so I'll let you know how that goes. But I picked up that. I think she just released these, so I'm kind of excited to try it. I also got some of my beloved Sephora collection Yuzu wipes. I like to use these for like cleaning up eyeshadow underneath my eyes and stuff. I don't particularly like them for my skin unless it's like a really late night and this is all the only option that I have to take off my makeup, but I do really like them because they're nice and citrusy. But yeah, I picked up these. And then I'm also really excited about this. I got this Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in the shade Work, W-E-R-K. And it's basically like a cream, let me get it open. And you can just use it as like cream blush or for your lips. So yeah, I'm excited about this. It's just kind of like a nice dusty rose color, but I've been wanting to get a little more into playing with cream products just because I feel like I don't give them enough of a chance, and I know it's kind of hard because I live in like really hot weather right now, but it does look so much more natural for like on an everyday basis. I know my everyday makeup tutorial, like that makeup is pretty heavy, I would say, for my standards, but I want to have some more like natural options. So like the Tatcha under eye cream with maybe a little like cream blush and some bronzer would just be like a little more subtle look. So I'm excited to try some of these. I'll let you guys know if I kind of like test them out. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. I'll link everything below. Per usual, you guys know I always link everything. And last but not least, I posted this on my Instagram, so you might have already seen it, but my favorite gloss, nude gloss, one of them, is the Marc Jacobs lip lacquer in the shade Moon Glow. It's just like a really pretty, like basic nude, and it smells like peppermint, really creamy texture, like not too sticky or anything, so got this. So yeah, that's everything that I got. So I'm just working today, and I'm actually about to make lunch for Hunter and I. So let me bring you in the kitchen because I'm about to make one of my favorite kind of like healthy salads, and I want you guys to see how I make it. So this is how you make it. You're gonna need super greens. This is the mix of baby chard, kale, and spinach. I get sliced turkey meat from the deli, sliced Swiss from the deli, and organic broccoli. So the power greens you want, you know, it's like enough, like a serving size salad. So I do like 2 pretty big handfuls, enough to fill like, you know, a big plate. This is for 2 people, keep in mind. Next is broccoli. So I do about 1 head size, and you just want to cut the tops off. And then I basically just like break them into like as small pieces as I can so that they're like chewable, and then I just toss them all in here. And I always switch it up, just like whatever turkey the grocery store has. I preferably something seasoned, so it has a little bit of flavor. And I'll just take, I don't know, let's say like 5 to 6 slices, so that each person has about 3 slices. Like that's probably the amount you would put like on a sandwich. So I think that's like a good serving size. And I literally just chop it into cubes, and then I try to like peel apart the little pieces and throw them in. All right, and then last but not least is Swiss cheese, and I take about 2 slices. This one's kind of a half, so I'm just gonna put these like together as one, plus another one. Try not to put too much cheese because it's not good to load up on. And again, I just cut it into squares. Swiss and turkey are good like leaner options. So I don't feel like quite as bad. Okay, so it should look like this, and then we're gonna make a dressing. This is the easiest homemade dressing ever, and it just tastes way better than anything you can buy in the store. So literally just taking plain olive oil. Get a good olive oil. I'm gonna put about that much in. Then a little red wine vinegar, and I just literally eyeball this. It's probably at least a tablespoon. Oregano. And then I got this jalapeno salt from a farm nearby, but you can just use plain salt. And I just put a little bit of salt on it. Should look kind of like that. And then you just want to whisk it together. All blended. So I like to give it just like a rough toss first without any dressing. Because then all the ingredients will like soak up the dressing if you pour it on without mixing it in. And then I'm just gonna start with about like half of this because I don't like too heavy of dressing. Screw it, we'll just do all of it. But normally I don't like to do too heavy of dressings. It's just a really easy way to load up calories. So I try to keep it as light as possible, but these greens are pretty like fibrous, so they kind of need it. And then I just finish off with a little pepper. Bon appetit. So one other thing I've been doing, because this makeup artist that I follow on Instagram, let me see if I can find her page. Michaeline. I'll put her handle here on the screen, but she was giving some of her skincare tips, and she has beautiful skin, and she said one thing she does is drink an entire gallon of water per day. So I've been doing that. So I've literally been buying these at the grocery store, like these huge waters, and it's just an easy way to keep track of how much you drink. So here we go. What's up guys, I'm editing this vlog and realized I forgot to film a little outro. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next week, starting in the next one right now. Bye.